Welcome. If you're looking to manage 2 Telegram accounts on one phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through some simple steps that will help you seamlessly switch between accounts without any hassle. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the hamburger icon, which is located in the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Now, look for the arrow next to your name and give it a tap. Step 4. From the menu that appears, select the Add Account option. Step 5. Here, you'll need to enter the phone number for the new account you want to add. After that, tap Next. Step 6. To verify the new account, you'll need to enter the code that gets sent to your new phone number. Step 7. Once you've done that, your new account will be added to your Telegram app. To switch between accounts easily, just tap the hamburger icon again and select the desired account from the list. And just like that, you can enjoy the convenience of having 2 Telegram accounts on your phone. With these simple steps, you can stay connected on both accounts without needing multiple devices. Happy messaging!